What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. I really appreciate you being here. Out here with Adam and Avi, and finally got the F22 B6 short block on the engine stand. Probably not the right bolt holes to use here, but it's in there, and you know, whatever. I did not want to film me putting it on because the way I did it was not the way that you're supposed to do it, and I know I'd have a lot of people talking a whole bunch of shit. The fact of the matter is, it's on. And yeah, so I'm gonna get the fluids drained out of it, and we'll get it spun over and start the disassembly process.
What in the world is going on? Make a head pop.
All right, y'all, so I know the GoPro cut out a bunch there, and I know a bunch of you are gonna be like, oh, you shouldn't have hammered those pistons out, but like literally I had no other idea how to get them out, and I'm not reusing them. I'm gonna get a rebuild kit with new pistons. So I guess the question that I have for you guys now, let me spin this over. Jesus fucking Christ. I just got shit falling out everywhere. There we go. A little more up. All right. So basically I'm gonna start over with this block fresh, but I guess my question now is, what can I use to brace this crankshaft to keep it from spinning when I can get this guy off? I don't really have access to air tools, so like the best I could probably do is to put it upside down, you know, with this on the ground down here, and like fucking put a breaker bar on here and jump on it. So I'm a big bastard. So I'm a big bastard, so maybe that's the only way to get it out. I don't know. Maybe I have to take it to a machine shop. But like, how do I keep this from spinning? How do I keep the crankshaft from spinning? I don't know, y'all. I think I've done pretty well so far. I know a lot of you are probably screaming at me like I'm doing it wrong and shit, but you know, doing the best I can here. So anyway, down there you can see the pistons. Those are the order they went in. You know, I just had these fucking bearing journals, whatever that is down there, falling out. I'm sweaty as hell. I've had things falling out all over the place, but like I said, I don't plan on reusing that kind of stuff. And yeah, so I just want this block stripped down as best I can, and then I'm gonna take it to a machine shop to have it trued up, have the surfaces flattened and cleaned up, pressure tanked, shit like that. I don't think I'm doing too bad. It's definitely an adventure in patience, and huge shout out to Avi for helping me with, you know, grabbing bags and tools and stuff like that. You know, it's just really nice to have a little bit of help. with stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep working and finish up here in a little bit. If you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Busting my ass over here. And I'm thinking about building this block when it's all said and done. So I think that'd be pretty cool slap in the minivan. That's what I'm listening to right now anyway. So yeah, good tunes to work to. All right, y'all, let's go. Already also, as I'm sure you all know, can't get the tensioner off without getting the pulley off. Like I said, I'd like to know how I can lock this up, lock the crankshaft up so that I can try and get this pulley off. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost fully disassembled. I got her done as much as I could. Experimented along the way, didn't read anything about doing it, I just did it, just a learning experience. So, yeah. I'm sure it's gonna do just fine. There aren't any cracks on it or anything, so yeah, I'm extremely satisfied with it. Like I said, I'm like fucking dying, it's so hot out here. Yeah, it was just kind of an experiment for me, a learning experience. Pretty proud of myself, even though I'm sure you guys are looking at me going, Steven, that's not how you do it, ah! I got it done, you know what I mean? I plan on replacing just about everything I took off, so I'm not really worried about breaking shit. I have no idea what order things come off in, but did the best I could. So if you guys are still here, thank you for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on and how I can lock up that crankshaft to get it off. Yeah, and also any recommendations on some good pistons, upgraded discount pistons. I don't know if they make Vitaras for this, but I'd kind of like to go with something a little bit, I kind of want to boost it. Thank you guys for the support and the love. I really appreciate every single one of you. You guys are great. So I will see you in the next couple days. Peace out, Cub Scouts.